I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. First, navigate to the Bill.com settings and locate the integration section. Select QuickBooks Online and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes. Once connected, verify that your vendor lists and chart of accounts have successfully synchronized between both platforms. This initial setup is crucial for seamless operation. After setting up your integration, you can begin entering bills directly into Bill.com. Simply create a new bill, input the vendor details, amount, and due date. Remember to attach the corresponding invoice or receipt for easy reference and auditing. Once saved, Bill.com automatically pushes this information to QuickBooks Online, ensuring your expenses are consistently updated across both systems. This eliminates duplicate data entry and reduces errors. Bill.com offers robust approval workflows, allowing you to set up specific routes for different bill amounts or departments. Once a bill is approved, you can schedule payments directly within the platform. Choose your preferred payment method, like ACH or check, and Bill.com handles the disbursement. All payment statuses and cleared transactions are then automatically recorded in QuickBooks Online, providing a complete financial picture without manual intervention. To maintain accurate financial records, regularly reconcile your bank accounts in QuickBooks Online against the payments processed through Bill.com. Always review the sync logs within Bill.com to quickly identify and resolve any potential integration issues. This proactive approach ensures data consistency and prevents future headaches. For more insights into managing your finances effectively, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.